Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple process of activating Bet.com on various devices including Roku, Fire TV, Samsung Smart TVs, Apple TV, Xbox, and PS4. Follow the step-by-step instructions below to ensure you can easily access Bet.com and start enjoying your favorite content. Activating Bet.com on Roku. 1. Start by turning on your Roku device and navigating to the home screen. 2. Select the Streaming Channels option from the menu. 3. Use the search function to find the Bet.com app and select it. 4. Download and install the Bet.com app on your Roku device. 5. Once installed, open the app and note the activation code displayed on your screen. 6. On your computer or mobile device, visit Bet.com Activate. 7. Enter the activation code provided by your Roku app and click Submit. 8. Log into your Bet.com account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. 9. Your Roku device will refresh and you'll be able to access Bet.com. Activating Bet.com on Fire TV. 1. Turn on your Fire TV and navigate to the home screen. 2. Select Find and then Search. 3. Type in Bet.com and select the app from the search results. 4. Click on Get to download and install the Bet.com app. 5. Open the app and take note of the activation code displayed. 6. On another device, go to Bet.com Activate. 7. Enter the activation code and click Submit. 8. Sign in to your Bet.com account or create a new one. 9. The app will now be activated on your Fire TV. Activating Bet.com on Samsung Smart TV. 1. Power on your Samsung Smart TV and navigate to the Apps section. 2. Use the search function to find the Bet.com app. 3. Download and install the app on your smart TV. 4. Open the app to receive the activation code. 5. Using a computer or smartphone, visit Bet.com Activate. 6. Input the activation code from your TV and click Submit. 7. Log in or create your Bet.com account. 8. Your account will be activated, allowing you to access Bet.com. Activating Bet.com on Apple TV. 1. Turn on your Apple TV and open the App Store. 2. Search for Bet.com in the App Store. 3. Download and install the app. 4. Launch the Bet.com app from your home screen and copy the activation code. 5. Go to Bet.com Activate on a separate device. 6. Enter the activation code and click Submit. 7. Log in or create a Bet.com account. 8. Your Apple TV will refresh and the app will now be activated. Activating Bet.com on Xbox. 1. Start your Xbox and go to the Microsoft Store. 2. Search for Bet.com and install the app. 3. Open the Bet.com app and take note of the activation code. 4. Visit Bet.com Activate on a different device. 5. Enter the code displayed on your Xbox and click Submit. 6. Sign in or create your Bet.com account. 7. Enjoy streaming on your Xbox. Activating Bet.com on PS4. 1. Power up your PS4 and go to the PlayStation Store. 2. Use the search function to find the Bet.com app. 3. Download and install the app to your console. 4. Open the app to see your activation code. 5. On another device, go to Bet.com Activate. 6. Input the activation code from your PS4 and click Submit. 7. Log into your Bet.com account or create one if needed. 8. Your PS4 will refresh and you're ready to go. Make sure to follow these steps carefully and you'll be streaming your favorite content on Bet.com in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides.